Candle Range Theory Trader back with you with another video, just showing the best trade of the day. So this was this was an 8-hour candle range theory. So let's not waste time. Get right into it. Candle one was was it the one? Yeah, 1 a.m. candle from yesterday. Candle two was the 9 a.m. candle from yesterday, and then candle three was 1700, which technically over in Asia would be, the next day. So it's kind of tricky. But at the end of the day, this trade I took last night. So this is how it works. So this was the range here. Now, what we like to do is when we identify candle one, we just make sure that we're in the bottom half of candle one, because candle two can close anywhere. But as long as you know for sure that you're in the bottom half of candle one, and of course I was, because it's kind of a no-brainer because candle one was so large. All I was looking for was a little move to the upside, starting at 1700. So I'm going to go to the replay option. I'll drop down to the 5-minute. And even though this candle came back, I just got out. I didn't even take a whole 1-to-1. I should have, but I didn't. But let's go find the first fair value gap. That was green to the upside. If it's still holding up on this, it may not be. And it's good I got out when I did, because as you can see, there was a real sharp drop here. I don't know if this, I don't think this was news related, so I don't know what happened there. But let's see. We go back a little bit. Okay, so yeah, so there were a lot of gaps. So yeah, I think I got in this, like, I wish I knew when exactly, but let's just say 6:30 or so. Because the gaps are already forming, so we'll do a long there. I really favor 2020s. I've been having good results with those. So could have got in at 6:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And of course, the deal, as long as these gaps hold, either one of these gaps, whatever, or you just, if you want to base it on the entry, say for instance, you can just figure as long as this gap holds, you'll stay in the trade. But the trick with 1-to-1s is that you really don't want to let the trade hit your stop loss. You want to just go ahead and try to set to break even, or you want to see your take profit get hit as soon as possible. So with that in mind, though, the entry could have been at 6:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and take profit would have been hit right here at 7:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time before price did come back. So, like I said, 2020, I prefer that now that I go through this. Sometimes I do 30-30 is the max I'll do. But if you can get 20 pips, then just go for it, And then, like I said, but the main thing, though, is that you figure what you want to make. So say if you want to risk $50 to make $50, then you just do that. And then this was a $50 trade right here. If you want to risk 200 to make 200, this would have been that right there. But like I said, the trick is, though, you never want to lose the whole 200 if price goes against you. All right, that's the point. But a real easy trade there, did come back. So that's why I say to get your piece of the market, because you never know what price is going to do. It cannot be predicted. At best, we just react to what we see, get our piece of the market, and then go on about our business. So, but that was the trade. Pound New Zealand long at around 6 o'clock off the first few fair value gaps of the day. So hopefully somebody caught that. I appreciate your time and attention. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.